welcome back to Purelottie. So today I am creating this look and giving you my first impressions on the Natasha Denona Mini Love Palette. This is my first product from Natasha Denona, so if you want to see my thoughts and see how I created this look, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So today we are playing with this Natasha Denona Mini Love Palette. So it's just one of the 5 shade palettes. Let's open it up and have a look. I haven't even swatched it yet. I've been waiting to open it up on camera with you guys. So I really love the packaging as well. That's really pretty. So this is the palette and I'm super excited to play with it. So it's just a clear top and then it's like a metallic hot pink base with all the shades in it. I will do some swatches for you. Okay, so I'm going to start from this side here. So the first one is shade U. So let's give it a swatch. Oh my goodness. That came out really pigmented for just one swatch. The next shade is R. So is this nice shimmery, it's more of like a satin formula creamy colour. I'm just going to turn down the lighting just so you can see it a little bit better. That's the 2 shades so far. The next shade is this middle one and this is My. So it's like a mauvey purpley colour. This one's a bit patchy. Yeah, that one's a bit patchy. I'm not a fan of that one. This one here. Then let's go into the lighter purple, which is True. So it's this one here. This is a matte shade. Same with the other one. Yeah, this came out a bit patchy as well. I'm not sure if you're able to see that on camera. And the last shade is Love. So it is this beautiful, beautiful, like goldy pink colour at the end here. And oh my goodness, this is amazing. I apologise if you can hear Macy in the background with her toys. This shade here, how pretty is that shade? Well, I'm super excited to try it. I do have a bit of dry skin at the moment from a sunburn from a few weeks ago, so I wonder if that's why it's making it patchy. So we will see what it's like on camera. I'm going to fast forward through this so that I don't blab on and bore you guys. So let's jump into the look that I'm going to create. let me zoom you in. So I think the look came out pretty nice. My first impressions on the palette is the mattes did come out a bit patchy, but not as patchy as they were on my arm. So I think maybe my skin is drier than my eyes, so maybe that's why it was so patchy on my arm. But I did have to build up the darker purple colour quite a bit for it to show up, so just a note of that. To be honest, I expected a lot more from the palette than what it was. I mean, it is only one of the little 5-pan ones, but her products are quite expensive. So for a first timer using Natasha Denona, I thought that she would make these ones quite good to get customers in. But I can't say that I would love this formula over a lot of my other ones. The colours are quite pretty. I did think it was going to be a lot more pinker, but it is more of a purple versus a pink. So the look came out quite purpley. I mean, this is the first time I'm playing with it, so if I use like the pink shade versus the purples, that might work a bit nicer. But for a first time using it, it is nice. It blended really easily. The shimmer shade, this one down here, I popped on my lids. It's like a duochrome formula. That one, I struggled to apply it using a brush, even a wet brush, so I do recommend using your fingers versus a brush for it, because it applied so much nicer with my finger. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that. But overall, I did pick up the palette on sale, so I'm quite happy with the purchase. I don't know if I would purchase any more of her palettes. I think before purchasing anything else from Natasha Denona, I would like to swatch it in store maybe before purchasing it, because online this looked a lot more pinker than purple, and I'm not a massive purple fan, so I think that's also throwing me off because it's not pink, it is more purple. So yeah, overall I like it, but I probably wouldn't purchase this exact one again. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.